Students, today we are going to see use of graticule and we are going to learn how the place is located using graticule. Graticule, that is the network of latitudes and longitudes. You have already learnt about latitudes and longitudes, but a small revision let us take. You have seen that these horizontal imaginary lines drawn on globe or map are called as parallels of latitudes, whereas such imaginary vertical lines drawn on globe or map are called as meridians of longitudes. Now here you can see these lines have numbers like 0 degree, 10 degrees south, 20 degrees south, 30 degrees south and 40 degrees south. Here you have 80 degree west, 70 degree west, 60 degree, 50 degree and 40 degree west, which means that except for this 0 degree, all the numbers have one or the other letter associated with it. This S indicates or it tells us that this particular region lies in southern hemisphere, whereas this W indicates that it lies in western hemisphere. But why there is no letter associated with it? Because this is equator, which is the longest parallel, divides the earth into two equal parts and therefore there isn't any letter associated with it. Now, how to locate the place latitudinally or longitudinally? Let us see. For finding the latitudinal extent, find the last end of this and put a dotted line. This is not at all necessary, but just for you to understand the concept, I am drawing this dotted line and check where it is. This is 10 degrees south, 0 degree and little above the 0 degree. So I can write here that the latitudinal extent of Brazil, this is the map of Brazil country, it begins from 5 degree 15 minute north. Now why north I have written? Because it lies above the 0 degree. What lies above 0 degree? The northern hemisphere. Fine. Now as I proceed downward, it goes again. Check it with dotted line so that it will be easy for you. It lies below 30, means beyond 30 degree but before 40 degree. So I can write here that the latitudinal extent of Brazil is extended till 30 degree 45 minutes south. Understood? Thus I can read latitudinal extent of Brazil is 5 degree 15 minutes north to 33 degree 45 minutes south. Next comes longitudinal extent. For longitudinal extent, we have to repeat the same procedure but in this way. To find out the starting point, let us plot a dotted line in this, and after plotting a dotted line, I come to know that it begins from 34 degree and 45 minutes because it lies before 40 degree. So here I can write down 34 degrees and 45 minutes in which hemisphere? Western hemisphere. Now from here it begins until where it is extended. Again to find out, take the last location and plot a dotted line. So here you come to know that it is extended till 73 degrees. See, it is beyond 70. But how much? Very little, and it is before the 80 degree west. So here I can write 73 degree and 48 minutes west. So I can describe the longitudinal extent of Brazil is from 34 degree 45 minutes west to 73 degree 48 minutes west. So this is how we can use the graticule to locate any place. Now wherever you go, if you are going out of station and if you don't know the way, what do? Immediately you switch on your mobile GPS system and you start tracking the place. What GPS uses to tell you the location? GPS uses the same thing, that is graticule. So here we will stop for today.